What's up everybody? Simon here. On this episode of Tech Visibility, we are going to go ahead and review the SoundPeats Mini Pro Hybrids. These are supposed to be excellent noise canceling earbuds that have transparency mode. They are overall supposedly going to provide you the best quality sound with some very good highlights that we're going to go over. So I am excited to review, unbox, and give you my thoughts on what these actually do. Now, if you're new to my channel, I've done so many earbuds reviews that I've really gotten accustomed to which are the best, and I'm going to give you the honest feedback on these Mini Pros. So before I do, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Let's get into this unboxing and go from there. All right, so the SoundPeats Mini Pros come in a little box. There is a nice lady wearing them, says Mini Pro. Wireless earbuds. Nothing to see here, just kind of a shiny presentation box. I have my surgical knife here, and we're gonna just make a slight little surgeon cut to get this shrink wrap out. Best part of any unboxing video for me. I don't know why. The box just has, oh wow, it just pops open like that. Now there is instructions in here, as you could see. Isn't this great to be able to see what comes inside of packages? And you have your Mini Pro manual. There's no quick start guide, just a Mini Pro manual. In here, you're gonna have your ear tips. There they are. So 2 different ear tips, including one that's on it. Oops, they fell out. So they're not stuck in there. They just come placed in that tray. So don't lose them, okay? And then you have your USB to USB-A to AC. And then the case. Look at this little case, guys. This is quite impressive. It's like a little pill. They are truly minis, and I am very impressed with the case as it is, okay? Very rarely do I get impressed with cases that are not Apple products or Samsung, but here in comparison, the 3rd generation of the AirPods, and then the 2nd generation and the SoundPeats Mini Pros. Now the Mini Pros have noise canceling. They do have the QCC 3040 chip. We'll discuss that a little bit more, but man, you're getting a lot of things out of these that even these 2 guys don't have. So let's get them out of here. But for example, you were just able to see. All right, very simple to open up. There is a tab on, like many earbuds out there, to take off the connections for the charging on the earbuds themselves. You do want to do that, otherwise they won't work. There is an indicator for charging on the back of the USB-C connection. It's blue, which is really interesting. There's indicators that they're charging here as well, and these are touch. So this is not a button, okay? These are going to be touches. And let's go over the manual really quick. So on the left ear, a single or double press 2-second hold is for a call. A 1.5-second hold is to reject a call. 3 times tap, that goes into gaming mode, okay? These do have gaming mode as well, which is cool. And then you got a double press or a double tap for hanging up, answering, and pause and playing. Single tap is for volume down on the left, single tap volume up on the right, and then the same thing, double tap for hang up and for you to answer a call. Triple tap is for voice assistant on the right, which is different than the left because that switches in between the modes. And then a double or a 2-second press is for a call. All right, that's it. Powering them up should be simple, or pairing them, I should say, should be simple. And all you do is go into the settings, go into your Bluetooth, open these guys up, take it, oh, excuse me, take them out. And they're really small, and they should be in Bluetooth pairing mode. And yes, they are. Mini Pros right there. Come right up, and now they're in. All right, let's review these guys because the case is so small. These are tiny. Okay, so let's compare them to the new 3rd generation AirPods, and you can see they're pretty much almost the same size, or close. Let's get these guys in. There is a left indicator right there, and there's a right indicator right there. So the way you put these in is you slide them in and then you twist them to lock. And they're in pretty snug in there. So they're good. Oh man. Let me see. I'm gonna hold this for 3 seconds. I'm in normal mode. I'm gonna hold the left ear for 3 seconds. Noise canceling. Wow, the noise canceling is really good on these guys. Very impressed, okay? And then there's gaming mode, and that doesn't have ANC as much. So it's pass through, so now it's transparency, excuse me. I think the ANCs are the gaming mode, okay? So normal, ANCs pass through, that might be gaming in their opinion. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below. I'll test the music. I'm not gonna test these with a game, but you could pair them to pretty much your PlayStation. And I was actually lucky to get a PlayStation 5 recently. I'm excited about that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go into a rap song I play. I tend to play this rap song on many videos just to get a baseline and feel. I'm trying to look for this song here. Once I get it, we're gonna go ahead and play it, and I'll let you know if these sound just as good as some of the other earbuds I've tested. Volume's about 3/4 of the way. So let's see. Oh, bass is good, very crisp. Mids are okay, lows are okay. I need to turn it up to hear the vocals, so it's pretty good. These are great. I mean, they feel so light, I don't even feel like they're in the ears. That's the crazy part. And I want to make sure I'm in ANC mode right now. I'm in pass-through mode so I can hear myself talk while it's playing. And it sounds really clear, but I can hear myself talk. Now normal mode, and let me get into ANC mode. Yeah, with ANC you just get so much more really good bass. It's not over the top. These aren't the best bass-driven headphones, however, really good quality. And we're gonna discuss why this quality is so good a little bit later. So let me listen to another song. I'm gonna listen to a song that has more, less bass, more maybe vocals in it. So now I'm playing a song with more vocals. Very clear. I mean, these are very impressive, and they are going for about $60. So for $60, the link is below in the description. You could get them with the link. Excellent. I mean, light. This case is so light. The sound is great. I'm gonna make a phone call to our office. I want to see if these sound great. First, let me get transparency mode. There's pass-through, it says. Okay, great. I could hear myself talk. Wow, it amplifies actually what I'm saying back into the earbuds themselves. All right, here we go. We're dialing. Hey, what's up? It's Simon. I am just testing the SoundPeats Mini Pros. How do I sound?
I can hear you fine.
Excellent, excellent. Okay. Yeah, you sound great. The pass-through works. These are great for every day. I mean, holy moly. Guys, I could use these earbuds for pretty much every day. They're so small, so light, and they sound so great. Hey, I appreciate you picking up. Thanks. All right, bye. Okay, so I hung up. They sound excellent. He sounded very clear. The transparency mode is perfect. It works great. These Mini Pros, highly recommended by me. So far, the music was great. The noise canceling was great. The transparency mode was great. The case is tiny. I mean, it is small. And because it's so small, you're getting a great quality sound out of these, and you're getting that compact feel that you could bring these anywhere. So let's go over why these are so good, why they look so good in my ear and fit, and they feel so light in the ear. The noise canceling is amazing, even without the ANC being on. The ear tips are perfect. The magnet is just great. You could see that here. They're back to charging. They don't fall out. The case will stay up until you close it. I love that about cases. Well-designed SoundPeats. Probably, I would say my top 5, maybe even top 3 $50 to $60 earbuds that I have reviewed. These guys right here. Let's see why. So first thing first, these are affordable ANC earbuds with noise canceling at this size. Incredible. They can filter up to 35 decibels from noise canceling. I truly felt they're much better noise canceling in these Mini Pros than in a lot of the Tozo products. So these are starting to be my favorite for this price range. These also have the QC3040 chip from Qualcomm. That is the best chip out with aptX adaptive sound. It has a 5.2 Bluetooth connection for no latency. That's why they're meant for gaming. They're meant for just a really smooth quality connection with your phone or device. 10mm bio drivers. I heard that in the bass. It was very clear as well. And they have ultra low power consumption because of these new features. So they will last quite a long time. These will last you 7 hours in the normal mode, 5 hours with ANC on in a single charge. And you get twice that from the charging case. So a total of 21 hours on this case with, I guess, normal mode. And then you have to subtract 6 hours with ANC on. So you could get a total of about 15 hours if you're using active noise canceling the whole time. Transparency mode was great on these. You do that by holding the left side for 3 seconds. That was an excellent part of my phone call. They sounded very clear. I could rock them. These could replace my AirPods Pros. They could replace my AirPods 2nd and 3rd gen, most likely the 2nd gen and 3rd gen for sure because of active noise canceling. Cheaper and this small of a size. I mean, come on guys, here's 3rd gen AirPods and they're pretty much identical, and that's why I love these so much. Here's the 2nd gen, and that's why I love this case. I mean, I'm in love with it. I would keep these. I did have the clear calls. The Qualcomm processor really helped with that, so that was a benefit. And I love the fact that they eliminate background noise during your calls and during music, and they also amplify your background when you are in transparency mode in case you're traveling with these. So you could actually get on the plane, turn on your noise canceling, get off the plane, get on the phone call. That's incredible. With gaming mode, they have a 60 millisecond ultra low latency so that you're in a shooting game or whatever and you could play these. These are going to be great for the PS5, just leaving them around there, plug them in and go in the blast with Call of Duty or whatever else you're playing nowadays. So overall, very happy with this product. I would say this is an 8 to 9 out of 10 in terms of value. Dang it, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I wish it had better battery life, but then they would jeopardize the case. But the sound quality was really good. The call quality was really good. The size impresses me. The build craftsmanship impresses me. The price for $60 impresses me. The link is below. You could get these. Overall, very happy with this product. Definitely 2 thumbs up. You should look into these over any of the products that I've reviewed within that price range. Better than the Tozos that I've reviewed. I'm in love. So this is good. SoundPeats, you did a good job. This is an honest review. Bought this product with my own money and would not lie to you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. I'm out.